Hello, I am Dharmishta. Today I am going to explain about lesson 8 animation in Flash. In this lesson we will learn about timeline and layer, animation with motion and shape twinning, using masking layer, animation using a motion guide, applying filter, applying timeline effect and working with sound. These are the points we will learn in this lesson. We know that a flash movie consists of frames, which are the basic unit of a flash movie. We enter the content for each frame, after which flash display the frame in a series to play the movie. Now timeline and layers. The timeline window helps to organize the contents of a flash document. It contains layer for organizing the contents on the stage. The timeline show the frames as a series of rectangle in each layer. Every fifth frame has the frame number. Frame with black dot are known as keyframe. The light red rectangle in a header with a red frame and red vertical line below it indicate the playhead, that is the frame currently on the stage. The frame rate shows the number of frames per second your animation will play. Here given the figure, it shows the options keyframe with black dot, playhead, frame rate and current frame. Now, the next one is understanding layers. Layers means transparent sheets stacked one on top of the other. You can rearrange the order of layers to set the order of objects in the movie. You can decide which layer object should appear later. You can draw, edit an animation object in one layer without affecting the object of another layer. Each new movie contains a single layer by default, but you can add and many layers as you want. The timeline displays a layer as rows. It provides options to insert, lock, unlock layer, hide, unhide layer. Here given the steps how to insert a layer. First, click on Insert menu, then click on Timeline, then click Layer. In this way we can insert the layer. Now second way is that click on Insert Layer button at bottom of the timeline. Here given the figure, it display a layer, show hide layer option, lock unlock layer option, insert layer option and delete layer option. Now next topic is rename the layers. Suppose you want to change the name of the layer, just double click on the layer and type a new name. In this way we can rename the layer. We can type a name as per our requirement. Now next one is changing the order of layers. When image on different layers overlap, object in a higher layer appears in front of the object in a layer below them. To change the order of the layers, click the name of the layer you want to move and drag it to the required position. In this way we can change the order of the layers. Now deleting a layer. When you delete a layer, you also delete all the object on the layer. To delete a layer, click the name of the layer and right click on the menu and select the delete layer button. Another way is that you can delete a layer option at the bottom of the timeline. In this way we can delete a layer in a timeline. Here given the figure about renaming the layer. Here we will learn how to insert, delete and rename the layer. Here given the option for inserting a layer. In this way we can insert a layer. See, layer number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can also delete a layer. Right click on it and delete a layer. So this is option for deleting a layer. Now how to rename the layer? Just double click on it. See, in this way, and type a name as per your requirement. Here we type a circle. Now in a circle layer we draw a circle by using oval object. Select it and draw. Now double click on second layer. Here we write the name, new name, square. See, then select a second layer, then click on rectangle tool and change its color, then draw a rectangle on second layer. Now third layer, here we type a name as per our requirement, then select the polystar and change a color of object and draw an object in third layer. So in this way we can insert, delete a layer, we can change the layer name and we can draw an object in a different layer in this way. See.